Hi, I wanted to make this video to show you what happens. This is a key I cut on my Blitz, maybe a year or two ago, but I've always had problems with this lock here. I thought it was a lock, but I put it in and I can unlock it, but when I go to lock it back up, I put the key in and the whole lock turns. The cylinder doesn't turn. I can jiggle it and then it turns and locks. I thought, well, I cut this key and it measures perfectly, but maybe it's the lock. It has to be the lock. Well, it's not, because I got a Framon 2 now. And I cut this key on the Framon 2. And watch this, I put this in and it locks. Put it in and it unlocks. Put it in and it locks. No problem. It's a perfect cut key because the Framon, I suppose this is the cutter, it cuts it straight in like that. The Blitz is like this and it rolls up to the cutter, so it kind of cuts the angled cut. And that's why this key works fine this way, but not this way, because this side is higher or lower, and so the pin is holding up the shear line. So that's what I wanted to show you. A Framon 2 cut key works perfect on this lock. Here, all this time I thought it was the lock.